Hey guys, I'm with my friend Katy here, and we're going to attempt to make a really good sauerkraut. I've tried doing it once and it came out really good. This is Katy's first time doing a sauerkraut. And yeah, if we're successful, I'll post this video. If it turns out good, I'll share the information of what we did. Okay, so first of all, most important ingredient, we have our cabbage. And this one cabbage is probably going to fill our 4-liter mason jar. It's 4 liters, right?
Yeah, it's half a gallon.
Half a gallon,
yeah.
Okay. And then we got some dill here, we have some cilantro, and some garlic to make things interesting. Yeah, we have some salt, of course. And you want to make sure it's uniodized.
It's pretty chunky.
It'll work.
Hopefully it'll work.
It will. Step number 1, sterilize jars. That's how you do it in the tropics in an outdoor kitchen. Makeshift. Because usually you put like in a boiling pot.
Yep.
Yeah.
I just put hot water in it and I'm kind of rolling it around.
So as you can see here, Katy is chopping it really finely, which is good because then you're able to add more texture and be able to pull out more water with the brine. Take a tablespoon of salt. I'm going to add it to the cabbage. I'm going to start massaging it and it should start sweating. So you can see here you want to knead, squeeze out that precious brine. Just like so. And that's it. So now we're all done, we massaged it, there's a brine at the bottom, and now we're shoving it in the jar. And we're gonna try to fit all of this in this 4-liter jar. I think we're gonna be able to do it, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna compact it down, just like so. And you can see there's some brine already just coming up from that.
That's crazy.
And how long do you wanna let your ferment sit?
Well, I'm gonna check it after probably like 2 or 3 days. Just check it out, see how it is. Maybe put it in the fridge after that.
I think that's a good plan. But I know you could do it even longer if you would like, just to let you guys know. I know some people say it's better to do it for a week or 2, but I have also done it for, I think it's about 5 days, and it turned out really good.
That was pretty effective.
Katy added a cabbage leaf right here on top of all of the vegetables so that there's no like chunks. So we're gonna strain this too, or like add another cabbage on top, because it could cause like a layer of bacteria to grow at the surface and you may get mold or something of the sort. So it's really important to make sure that everything is packed below the brine. We thought they were gonna be able to put all of this in the same jar, but we weren't. So we're gonna make a second jar with what we have left over, and we're probably gonna add some kind of jalapenos or Thai peppers to it, or something spicy to have an extra kick. This is what we have here. We have a pretty simple one right here, and then our extras, we added a few other herbs and made it spicy. So we're gonna check on it as the days go by. I think I'm gonna continue doing this, making sauerkraut on a monthly basis, because a little bit really does go a long way, and I'm happy to know that I really didn't need much salt. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.